How do you incentivize a new startup hire? With salary? With shares? Both? How much? And when? Get this wrong and you'll either lose them or hand them a tax bill. No AI will tell you this because no AI ever had to motivate a new startup hire. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. This is how startup equity compensation actually works. New hires take a career risk joining your startup. Equity is how you compensate them for that risk and align their interests with everyone else in the company. But don't hand them a block of shares on day one. If they walk in 2 months, they keep an outsized chunk of your company. The fix is vesting. Grant them shares now, deliver them over time. Monthly, quarterly, yearly, or tied to a specific milestone. Here's another pro tip. Don't grant shares directly. Once you've raised capital, your shares have a market price, and the IRS calls that ordinary income. Your new hire would owe taxes on the equity that might never be worth anything. Bad motivator. Instead, grant options to purchase shares at a fixed strike price. Set that price at today's share value. The IRS calls that a valueless transaction. No tax. Lock in the strike price by filing a 409a valuation. One more pro tip. Standard vesting is monthly over 3 years. I prefer something more aggressive. 60% in year 1, 40% in year 2. That's when employees do their best work. Whatever schedule you pick, you're telling every hire what you think of them, what you expect of them, and how much they should trust you. Choose accordingly. No AI will ever tell you this because no AI has ever had to incentivize a new employee with equity. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.